In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Confluence. Whether you're organizing a project, tracking tasks, or simply setting up a to-do list, adding checkboxes can streamline your workflow and make managing your projects more efficient. So, let's dive right into how to do it. First, you'll need to be on your Confluence homepage. From here, all the action begins. If you're unfamiliar, the homepage is where you'll find quick access to all your workspaces, pages, and recent activities. Once you're here, you'll want to choose the workspace where you'd like to add the checkbox. Workspaces are essentially collections of related pages and content that help you keep everything organized. Selecting the appropriate workspace ensures your checkbox ends up in the right place and context. Next, click on the specific page where you want the checkbox to appear. This is as simple as navigating through your selected workspace and finding the relevant page. If you're dealing with large projects or numerous pages, using the search bar can be a handy way to locate exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. Once you've opened the desired page, you'll need to click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes and add new content to the page. You can find the Edit button at the top right corner, and it's your gateway to personalizing the content. After you've entered the editing mode, the next step is to navigate to the toolbar at the top and click on Insert Elements. This feature offers various options, from tables to images, and is incredibly useful for enhancing your content with different types of media and tools. You'll see a variety of different elements you can insert, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't explored these options before. Following that, in the provided search bar within the Insert menu, type in Action Item. This search is crucial as it directs you to the specific element we're focusing on today, the checkbox. By searching for Action Item, you avoid scrolling through all possible elements, saving you time and speeding up the process. Once the action item appears, go ahead and click on it. And just like that, the checkbox is automatically added to your page. It's a simple yet powerful feature for visualizing tasks that need to be completed. From here, you can type alongside the checkbox to describe the task or item you want to check off. It can be incredibly satisfying to tick these boxes as you complete tasks, reinforcing the sense of accomplishment while keeping your projects neatly organized. And there you have it. You've successfully added a checkbox to your Confluence page. Remember, utilizing these tools can greatly enhance your productivity and keep your projects moving forward efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Confluence.